Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Welcome to Lesson 3.13, Dividing Numerators and Denominators. In this first example, we have a multiplication equation. We have 5/8 times some number equals 20/40. So I need to figure out what fraction goes right here. So I'm going to think to myself, 5 times what number gives me 20? Well, I know 5 times 4 gives me 20. For the denominator, I'm going to look at 8 times what number is 40? I know 8 times 5 is 40. So my answer would be 4/5. When we switch our multiplication equation to division, we are using the exact same numbers and making a reverse. We're going to use division instead of multiplication. So, I'm going to take my answer, which is 20/40, divided by 4/5, which should give me 5/8. If I use keep, change, flip to check, I would do 20/40 times 5/4. 20 times 5 is 100, and 40 times 4 is 160. If I simplify by dividing by 2, I would get 50 80ths. Divide by 2 again, I'd get 25/40ths. I know I can divide each of those by 5, and I would get 5/8. So, this does work.
If you know what happiness is to you, clap along if you feel.
In the next example, Allison can run 3/7 of the field. This is 4/5 of the distance that Allison's older sister can run. So how far can Allison's older sister run? First, I'm going to circle my important info. I see that Allison can run 3/7 of the field, and that it is 4/5 of the distance that Allison's sister can run. So I know that I will need to divide, because I'm going to say Allison runs 3/7 of the field, which is 4/5 of the distance that Allison's sister can run. So again, I'm going to use keep, change, flip. So 3/7 I keep. I change division to multiplication. I flip 4/5 to 5/4. Multiply straight across. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 4 is 28. So do we need to reduce 15/28? Well, I know the factors of 15 are 3 and 5 and 1, and also 15. None of those numbers go into 28 evenly. So I know my answer is that Allison's older sister can run 15/28 of the field.
That's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that.
Today you learned to divide numerators and denominators.
Give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.